Hi everyone, this is Jake from Instone. We're here in Worcester, Massachusetts, and right behind me, I have a dry stack wall. When you look at it, you think it's your typical loose pieced thin veneer, but believe it or not, it isn't. This is an interlocking panel system. It's a natural stone. It's gonna give you a natural look. It is a 24 by 8-inch piece. This comes in 3 different components. So you have the full flats like this you see here. Then there's a half panel, which is cut the long way, and that's for starters for the bottom and the top of your wall. And then there's the corners, of course. When I put it up against the wall here, against another panel, it blends right in, it disappears. Typically a dry stack wall using loose pieces of thin veneer, you probably only get 25 square feet done every single day. This stuff, you get around 200. That means you can complete jobs 8 times faster. Typically a job of this size with a dry stack wall would take weeks on end to complete. However, with the interlocking panels, they were in and out of here in a few days. At this beautiful job here, the contractor was happy and so was the homeowner. So if you have any home projects coming up and you want to use stone, I'd consider Interlock.